Hi, this is Alexa. May I know the purpose of your visit?
Yeah, I'm here to see Sam.
Do you want to leave a message?
Yeah, my message is this.
What is your message?
The water main's back on.
I will inform the resident. What is your name and phone number?
Beginning of message. I came by, you're not here, I'm leaving.
May I know the purpose of your visit?
Hey guys, I'll try you a little later. I'll text you. Love, Mom.
You live here, bro?
No, I'm just leaving a message.
Thanks for dropping by. Hi, this is Alexa. May I know the purpose of your visit?
Packages for Smith?
Great. Do the packages require a signature?
Nope.
Okay, please leave the packages behind the left side gate.
Sure you got it?
Bye.